Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Velas mobile wallet application on your Android phone. So let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. Open your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Velas wallet and search. Soon after you come across this application from Velas Network AG, tap on the install button to begin downloading the application on your device. Velas Wallet is a user-friendly and secure way to manage your Velas-based cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a reliable wallet to store your Velas token, Velas Wallet is a great option. Soon after the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch it open on your Android phone. So that's how easily you can download Velas Wallet on your Android phone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.